Hello, welcome to this video about heart-healthy food. It is essential that we take care of our bodies and make certain that we are providing ourselves with the appropriate fuel to maintain our health and our strength. In this video, we will discuss 20 of the best foods for heart health, including the specific health benefits of each food and how to incorporate them into your diet. We will also discuss how to choose the best foods for your heart's health. Therefore, before we get started, make sure you subscribe to our channel, like and comment on our videos, and share them with your friends. The following is a list of 20 foods that are beneficial to the health of the heart, along with a brief explanation of the benefits of each food. 1. Oats. Oats are a rich source of soluble fiber, which can help lower cholesterol levels and reduce the risk of heart disease. Soluble fiber can also help lower the risk of colon cancer. Additionally, oats contain anti-inflammatory plant compounds and antioxidants, both of which are present in the grain. 2. Salmon. Salmon is a type of fatty fish that is high in omega-3 fatty acids, which are known for their effects on protecting the heart. Salmon is a good source of omega-3 fatty acids. Omega-3 fatty acids have been shown to reduce the risk of heart attack and stroke, as well as lower blood pressure and inflammation levels. 3. Avocados. Avocados are a good source of healthy monounsaturated fats, which have been shown to help lower cholesterol levels and reduce the risk of developing cardiovascular disease. Potassium, a mineral that aids in maintaining healthy blood pressure, is abundant in avocados as well. 4. Nuts. Nuts, like almonds, walnuts, and peanuts, are an excellent source of healthy fats, proteins, and fiber. Walnuts are also a good source of protein. Consuming nuts on a regular basis has been shown in numerous studies to be beneficial for lowering cholesterol levels and lowering the risk of developing heart disease. 5. Green vegetables. Vegetables with leafy greens, such as spinach and kale, contain a high concentration of nutrients that are beneficial to heart health. These vegetables contain a high concentration of fiber, folate, and antioxidants, all of which are known to assist in lowering cholesterol levels and lowering the risk of developing cardiovascular disease. 6. Berries. Berries, such as strawberries and blueberries, are loaded with antioxidants and plant compounds that have anti-inflammatory effects, and they are a great source of nutrition. Because of these properties, there is a possibility that the risk of heart disease and other chronic conditions can be reduced. 7. Legumes. Legumes, which include beans, lentils, and chickpeas, are an excellent source of protein, fiber, and nutrients that are beneficial to the health of the heart. These foods have been shown to help reduce levels of bad cholesterol and blood pressure, as well as the risk of developing heart disease. 8. Grains. Grains that contain their hulls, such as quinoa and brown rice, are excellent sources of fiber. Fiber is known to help reduce cholesterol levels and the risk of heart disease. Whole grains are an excellent source of a variety of nutrients that are beneficial to cardiovascular health, including B vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants. 9. Chocolate. Chocolate with a high percentage of cocoa solids. Dark chocolate contains a high percentage of cocoa solids, which makes it a good source of antioxidants and plant compounds that have anti-inflammatory effects. Because of these properties, there is a possibility that the risk of heart disease and other chronic conditions can be reduced. Dark chocolate should be consumed in moderation because of its high caloric and fat content. 10. Olive oil. Olive oil that is extra virgin is a good source of healthy monounsaturated fats, which can help lower cholesterol levels and reduce the risk of heart disease. Extra virgin olive oil is also abundant in anti-inflammatory plant compounds and antioxidants, making it a valuable addition to any anti-inflammatory diet. 11. Green tea. Green tea contains a high concentration of anti-inflammatory plant compounds and antioxidants, making it a popular beverage choice. Because of these properties, there is a possibility that the risk of heart disease and other chronic conditions can be reduced. Catechins are another type of antioxidant that may assist in lowering blood pressure, and green tea is an excellent source of these beneficial compounds. 12. Tofu. Tofu is an excellent source of protein and other nutrients that are beneficial to the health of the heart. Because it is low in both saturated fat and cholesterol, it is an excellent choice for individuals who are interested in lowering their risk of developing cardiovascular disease. 13. Garlic. Garlic is a good source of antioxidants and plant compounds that have anti-inflammatory effects, making it an excellent addition to any diet. Because of these properties, there is a possibility that the risk of heart disease and other chronic conditions can be reduced. Many people also believe that eating garlic can help lower their blood pressure and cholesterol levels. 14. Citrus fruits. Citrus fruits, such as oranges and grapefruits, are high in a number of nutrients that are beneficial to heart health, including fiber and vitamin C. Citrus fruits are a great source of these nutrients. Fruits from the citrus family, like oranges and grapefruits, have a high concentration of nutrients that are beneficial to heart health, such as fiber, vitamin C, and potassium. These nutrients have been shown to help reduce the risk of heart disease as well as cholesterol and blood pressure levels. 15. Turmeric. The spice turmeric contains a high concentration of antioxidants as well as phytochemicals that come from plants and have anti-inflammatory properties. Because of these properties, there is a possibility that the risk of heart disease and other chronic conditions can be reduced. It is also thought that regular consumption of turmeric can help bring cholesterol and blood pressure levels down. 16. Sweet potatoes. The consumption of sweet potatoes, which are an excellent source of fiber, potassium, and antioxidants, has been shown to reduce the risk of heart disease as well as cholesterol levels and blood pressure. 17. Asparagus. The consumption of asparagus, which is rich in fiber, folate, and antioxidants, has been shown to reduce the risk of developing cardiovascular disease, as well as cholesterol levels and blood pressure. 18. Artichokes. Artichokes are an excellent source of fiber, antioxidants, and plant compounds that can reduce inflammation in the body. Artichokes. Because of these properties, there is a possibility that the risk of heart disease and other chronic conditions can be reduced. 19. Pears. Pears are an excellent source of fiber, antioxidants, and plant compounds that can reduce inflammation in the body. Pears are also delicious. Because of these properties, there is a possibility that the risk of heart disease and other chronic conditions can be reduced. 20. Apples. Apples are a rich source of fiber, antioxidants, and phytochemicals that have anti-inflammatory effects, making them an excellent choice for snacking. Because of these properties, there is a possibility that the risk of heart disease and other chronic conditions can be reduced.